we do want to make sure that this is audible. Okay. And it is. So let's jump into some charts here. Duolingo. Pretty solid gap up, but just got crushed. So NOW rejected, PAN-W rejected, CrowdStrike rejected. So Hood, Palantir moves up, Ethereum moving up, XRP moving up. I don't know that you want to touch anything related to Eli Lilly, obviously. Joby did unwind, kind of like a QS move. INQ, kind of holding. So it's not super easy to short right now. TSSI probably going to unwind even more. Hood looks pretty solid, but it's hard to get aggressive on it. Hopefully Ethereum will relax and then go up from there. But yeah, XRP, some momentum. IBIT momentum. Just got to be careful. MSTR hanging in there as well. Coin, blech. And Solana kind of holding up. Dell holding, DoorDash holding, Tesla holding. Semis are kind of all over the place. Rhombus kind of tightening. Iron's not as strong. Wolf's hanging in there. MP is pretty strong. Don't want to buy it right now. You going strong. AAOI would need to take out yesterday's highs to move. BABA 124 could be a level. Carvana could take out yesterday's highs. And 155 for Shopify. So up here. So just have to be careful on this.
Sorry, I didn't read your text right yesterday. You said in Hanover 11. Is it okay if I'm back at like 11:15, 11:20?
Yeah, 11:30.
Yeah, is that okay?
Yes.
All right, I just want to make sure. Sorry, I didn't read your text yesterday.
SoFi sold off. Roblox sold off. Duolingo sold off. So you just got to be careful right now. And I actually tried to buy Shopify yesterday. But didn't work out. And oddly, I don't have that buy on here, which I guess I was just lazy yesterday, which totally happens. Let's see what I was doing. I think bought at 154. Oh man. Oh yeah, 154.42. It has the sense. 154.42 at 9:35. Okay. And then 941, 153.34, 153.34, 941. Okay. There we go. So that's pretty obvious what happened here. It turned out to be a good stop. So, just getting back acquainted here. It's fine. Market pulled back while I bought Shopify, so is what it is. But I had to buy, right here. So Carvana exploding on earnings, Dave exploding on earnings, Sezzle exploding on earnings. So if you're short, you're happy right now, but I've just been chilling. Amazon got little tennis ball action. So yeah, we just got to not buy earnings setups right now. So, if you're buying Amazon, I mean, it's not a good example, but if you're buying NVIDIA, you got to watch NASDAQ, right? If you're buying crude oil stock, you got to watch oil, right? If you're buying a gold stock, you got to watch gold. And if you're buying a Bitcoin name, you got to watch IBIT. Okay. So that's the name of the game. Tesla's holding in here. Hood could continue moving. KTOS sort of holding. Needs to get over this level of 63-ish. Just wouldn't worry about crypto stuff right now, but could be pretty exciting. Again, Ethereum is getting pretty close to this 132 level, so no need to get overexcited, but could get exciting for Ethereum. That's all I'm saying. Okie dokes. 10-year AI stocks. I'll let that go for a bit. AMPX earnings holding up. Pretty extended. This is pretty extended. WPM, of course, gold was doing awesome, so no. Rolled over NOW. SoFi gap up, rolled over. Roblox, Microsoft gap up, roll over. That's what earnings names did. Duolingo kind of gapping and rolling over too. Dave got owned. Sezzle got owned. Lily got owned. TSSI got owned. Okay. So Boeing holding up, AMD holding up. Toast not super exciting. TTD got owned. FTNT got owned. Remember RCL gap down and then rolled over right here. Rocket Lab, gonna let this go because we don't want more earnings failures. They're all just kind of getting sold into. It's all good. It's been like a week of this since the start of earnings season. They're just getting sold. I'm all out of CCL. They do have earnings coming over. Ron had good earnings, but again, we're not really buying those. Roku might roll over. CLS extended, but if it can sort of gap over this 202 level and hold, that could be something. K2AOS looks pretty solid over time. It could go up here. Held earnings. Core weave, nothing to do really. Earnings coming up, gotta ignore it. ASML, yuck. SMCI, yuck. Hood just digested. It's pretty awesome. This has only been a couple weeks, really, maybe 3 weeks, but it's a good one to buy, probably. We want more stocks like that that go sideways on earnings, at least. ASDS, nothing to do here. Google's pretty much ready to go, but slow mover. GVA, slow mover, and also not very liquid. So this thing runs with Carvana, Vroom. This is another leverage thing which we don't have to worry about on Google. Tesla, need that to hang up to get into it. Aerospace, defense, KRMN. Yo, hanging in there. Just pretty illiquid. Meta solid, AVGO solid, and BIS solid too. Well, not super solid, but interesting right now. That's C. Coal name. Show WPM had a heck of a move. NEM, KGC, GFI, large moves from big bases. So, this was the day 8-1. And this is 8-1 right here. So these followed gold. So Groupon sort of all-day sell-off after the gap up. PGY. God, this Thinkorswim is horrible right now. Gold could take a while to break out. What is going on, dude? There we go. There's the sell-off. All right, there's gold. So this is the last 5 years. See if we can go even further. That took 10 years. Definitely don't need to touch TTD. Earnings results horrible. Earnings reaction, rather. Coming into open, guys. 1 minute till open. Stuff that's gapping up is failing, guys, so don't need to be buying stuff like this because we know what happens. They fail. ARC holding up. Oklo, super good. SOFO is not breaking down yet. FSLR still looks good. Solar still meh. Run's good too. 200 days still going down, which is pretty tough. Okay. Market is open. Market is open. I think we can ignore this. I bet. Sell it off a little. Okay. Just gotta kind of chill. Just kind of gotta chill, I'm afraid. Well, I'm not afraid, I guess, but do have to chill. Hmm. Oh my God. This data center power name did go. It did go. STMEs. Pretty liquid. VRT. Vertiv kind of just chilling. Hey, oh, I really shouldn't be looking at this. NEGG still moving. ILNQ actually did hold earnings. Bullish for quantums. KBTS. Whatever. They don't look great, but they don't look horrible. BABA could get us to get over this 124 here. Twilio sold off a lot. MP, Kabumi, still kind of holding. EXPE, pullback. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is holding. Piton drop back a little bit. App, pretty awesome move. Of course, it's probably going to fail. Like LEU. Or at least go sideways. I guess the earnings held. It's just that it actually held earnings as well, which is unusual on day one for this earnings season. AMD leading the semis, leading everything. Semis are all over the place. Oh, okay. FTI holding in there. So AMD is solid. Yeah. SYM actually held in there. Yeah. AMD SYM. And this is totally insane, but XXRP. All right.